Welcome back, boys and girls. Let's ride on into the next part of our Saxon phonics lesson. Welcome back, boys and girls. Today, we're going to be talking about something new. Let's look at this word up on the board. What do we call this mark? That's right, it's an apostrophe. Lately, we've been used to seeing it as apostrophe S. Apostrophe S usually means that something belongs to someone, some kind of ownership. But this word doesn't have an apostrophe S, so it can't mean belonging. This word is different. Let's look at each part of this word. What word is this? That's right, it's the word we. And what sound do these letters at the end make? Yes, they go ol. This is the word will, as in we'll be at your house by 5. The word will is a contraction. A contraction is one word that is made by putting two separate words together and shortening them. What two words make up the word wheel? We and will. But part of the word will is missing. What letters are missing? The W and I are missing, and in its place, we've put an apostrophe. When we write contractions, we put an apostrophe in the place of any missing letters. The English language has about 70 contractions. Most of them are made by leaving out 2 letters, just like our example we saw before. Some contractions, though, are missing 1 letter. Let's look at a few examples. Isn't, let's, he's. Let's take a closer look at the word isn't. What 2 words are making up the word isn't? We have the word is and not. What letter is missing when we put these words together? The O in not goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. Sometimes the apostrophe in a contraction replaces letters at the beginning of the second word, the one that's being shortened. In the word wheel, the apostrophe replaced the 2 initial letters in will. Other times, the apostrophe replaces letters from the middle of the second word, as in the O in not. Let's take a closer look at the word he's. What 2 words make up the word he's? We have the words he is. What letter is missing when we put these words together? That's right. The I in is goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. Let's look at the word let's. What 2 words make up the word let's? Yes, the first word is the word let. But the second word is the word us. Let us. Let's go out and play. What letter is missing when we put these two words together? The letter U in us goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. It's easier not to code contractions when trying to read them. But if you need help reading a contraction, try breaking it down into its two separate words. Start with the apostrophe and see if the letters before it make a word you know. Then look at the letters on the other side of the apostrophe to see what word might be shortened. Remember, the apostrophe means that letters are missing, so use that as a clue. Two contractions don't follow the normal ways the words are shortened, and they are both going to be new sight words for us. We have the word don't. Don't go outside in the rain. And we have the word won't. Won't you play with me at lunch? Won't is short for the words will not. This contraction should say willn't, but it says won't. Because this contraction doesn't act like it should, we're going to make it a new sight word. Our other word, don't, is short for do not. This word is spelled correctly, but it's not pronounced as it should be, so it's also going to be a new sight word. Remember, sight words are words that do not follow the rules, so we need to memorize them. So whenever we see our sight words in a worksheet or in our books, we circle them because they are words that we know. Now, boys and girls, we're going to take a closer look at some more contractions and see if we can figure out what two words make up the contraction and what letters are missing. Here we go. What's? What's? What two words are making up the word what's? That's right. What is? And when we put them together, what letter is missing? The I in is goes away. And in its place, we put an apostrophe. She'll. She'll. What two words make up this contraction? That's right. She will. And when we put these two words together, what letters are missing? The W-I in will goes away, and in their place is an apostrophe. Here's another one. Can't. Can't. What two words are making up this contraction? That's right. Can not. And if we put these two words together, what letters are missing? The N and O in not go away, and in their place is an apostrophe. He's. He's. What two words make up the word he's? Good job. He is. And if we put these two words together, what letter is missing? The I and is goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. We're. We're. What two words make up the word we're? That's right. We are. And if we put these two words together, what letters are missing? The A and R goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. I'm. I'm. What two words make up the word I'm? That's right. I am. And if we put these two words together, what letter is missing? The A and I am goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. We've. We've. What two words do you think make up the word we've? We've had a fun day at school today. We have. And if we put these two words together, what letters are missing? The H, A, and have go away, and in their place is an apostrophe. There. There. What two words make up the word there? They are. And if we put these two words together, what letter is missing? The A and R goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. Here's another one. Your. You're the best class. What two words make up this contraction? You are. And if we put these two words together, what letter is missing? The A and R goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. Didn't. Didn't. Don't get tricked here. What two words make up this contraction? That's right. Did not. And if we glue these two words together, what letter is missing? The O and not goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. It's. It's. It's going to be a sunny day. It's. What two words make up this contraction? That's right. It is. And if we put these two words together, what letter is missing? The I and is goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. I'll. I'll. What two words make up this contraction? Good job. I will. And if we put these two words together, what letters are missing? The W-I in will goes away, and in its place is an apostrophe. Good job, boys and girls. We're going to be practicing more contractions right now as we practice coding words. Let's take a look at the sentence up on the board. Remember, It's best not to code contractions. What you should do is figure out what two words are making up the contraction. That will help you to understand what you're reading. So we have the contraction heal, heal. What two words make up the contraction heal? We have the words he will. Now let's look at our second word. I see that it ends in one of our final k rules, K-E. And I know in that rule the E is silent, just like a sneaky E. And it's going to jump over and it's going to make the I long. And it's going to say its name. Now let's look at the last word. Do you see a vowel? Yes, and it's followed by a consonant. A vowel followed by a consonant is short, and we code it with a breve. Let's go ahead and let's read this sentence. He'll like it. I hope he does. Let's take a look at our next sentence. We have a contraction again at the beginning of this sentence. It's. What two words are making up the contraction it's? It is. Very good. Now let's look at our next word. Look carefully at the end. We see a sneaky E at the end of the word. So let's cross it out. And it's going to jump on over and it's going to make the O make its long sound and say its name. So we're going to code it with a macron. Let's go ahead and let's read this sentence. It's stone. I wonder what we're looking at if it's stone. Maybe it's a statue or something. Good job today, boys and girls. Keep an eye out when you're reading for contractions. Remember, it's best not to code them. Try and figure out what two words make up the contraction, and it'll help you understand what you're reading. We'll see you later. Bye.